Like that? Yeah? Good. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Reggie B. Today we're gonna attack biceps and triceps, but the difference that we're gonna do, we're gonna focus on nothing but high volume. So we're gonna focus on endurance, building muscle, and strength throughout the entire routine. So everything we do today, we're gonna do 5 sets of 15 reps, and in between rest periods, 40 to 45 seconds to intensify every single set. So if you're ready, let's get it. So we're going to start this routine off with some preacher curl machine, and then we're going to superset with some tricep kickbacks. The entire goal for today is to thicken and give your arm a nice, solid, huge look. The thing that some people may do, they may just focus on biceps one day and have the blood to rush into the front part of the arm, and then some other days, some people may use triceps and have the blood to just rush into the back. But today, I'm going to incorporate biceps and triceps together, which then I'm guarantee your arm will get nice and thick. But for the fact that we're focusing on high intensity and high volume, you're going to define, shape out both bicep and tricep to really give your arm that nice overall size look and definition at the same exact time. When you're doing these exercises, remember, it's not about momentum. I need you to keep your core nice and tight and focus on the movement, which will bring the best out of this entire routine. The thing and mistake that I see a lot of people make while they're at the gym, they're more focused on the rep and the rep itself. Yes, you should be focused on the rep so you know how much you're doing, but that shouldn't be the focus of each set. Each set's focused, you should have that mind muscle control, because when we come into the gym, whether we're focused on cut, bulk, building strength, our main focus is to make progress. And focusing on just the rep and the movement, you're not going to get the progress from that, because a lot of people are more focused on the movement, which then that's why the momentum kick in, because they're just like, let me get the set over with. No, you want each set to be different from every other set. No other set should be the same as the one you did before. So that's why mind muscle control, and I say it in a lot of my videos, it's very important. A lot of people don't get it. You need to really focus into that muscle and that contraction to bring the best out of the exercise. So just a second ago, I switched it up. I used to use the V-bar, but now, you just seen a second ago, I'm using underhand tricep pushdowns. This exercise is different and always good to change up your routine. The V-bar did good on the middle half of my tricep, but recently, within the past couple of months, I've been doing this, and my tricep is gotten nice, swole, and huge. So now we're moving on to our next exercise. We're gonna do hammer curls with a superset of dumbbell skull crushers. So we're just gonna be focusing on just that hammering movement, period, to give your arm that nice thick and overall size. So we're attacking the front and the brachialis, and then we're attacking that long head. So you ready? 15 reps, let's get it. So now we're moving on to a superset of dumbbell hammer curls, and we're jumping right after to some dumbbell skull crushers. I warn you, while going to these exercises, specifically these two, by this time your arms are probably filled up with so much blood and it's so tight, but I need you to really dig deep and focus, because this routine will guarantee thicken and build muscle and cut inside those bicep and tricep at the same exact time. The thing and why I show you the routines that I do, because it's the stuff that works. You have a lot of channels that guys are telling you routines and certain exercises to do, but a lot of times they don't do them and they don't get the progress or the look that they're looking for while doing the routines. I tell you stuff and I show you routines that work. For example, I only weigh, as of now, 175 pounds, and my biceps are 18 inches. So these exercises do work. I can guarantee you your arm will thicken out the way you want them to, and like no other. But you need to really be determined and focus and have the consistency of doing these exercises at least twice a week. No less than that if you want to see some gains. Last but not least, we're moving on to our last exercise. Everything we do today is going to be 5 sets, 15 reps. So we're going to start off with the cable, straight bar, bicep curl. Then from there, we're going to do a superset of the dip machine, which is going to attack the long, the middle, and the lateral head. So this is going to give us the overall nice beefness to top off this exercise. So you ready? Let's get it.
Now we're moving on to our routine finisher, the straight bar cable curl, supersetted with the dip machine. I specifically put both of these exercises at the end of our routine because by this time, I can guarantee that your arms are definitely fatigued. But what is better than having such a great routine and then ending it with such a great ending the way I'm giving to you right now? The reason for putting the straight bar cable curl is for the fact that this exercise is going to definitely fill up that bicep with so much thickness and blood to really bulk out your arm the way you want them to. And then supersetting with the dip machine off top focuses on all three heads of that tricep, the long, the lateral, and the middle head. So we are getting all 360 thickness of that arm, and that's what we want. The thing and really crucial for this routine, have in between for the rest periods 40 to 45 seconds. I say it again, 40 to 45 seconds rest period in between each set to bring the best out of this routine. And not only that, to intensify each and every single set so you get the gains you are looking for.
Alright everybody, there goes my video. Hope you enjoyed. If you're trying to build muscle, you have to switch up your routines. So some days you should go really heavy and some days you just work on just high intensity volume exercises. Because you don't want to just be too bulky, and then for the opposite, you don't want to be too cut. You want to keep a balance that you're bulky and cut at the same time. So don't forget to hit that notification button. It's your boy Reggie B. Like my video, subscribe to my video so your boy can be back. And if you do that, I'll be real proud of you.
Metamorphosis complete.